This Singer Model 66 treadle sewing machine was probably used by Alice Longfellow's servants for mending and domestic sewing. The machine is decorated with the red eye decal. The serial number affixed to the front of the machine indicates that the machine was manufactured at Singer's Elizabethport, New Jersey factory in June 1914. The machine is powered by the user's feet on a treadle, built into the machine stand, which would have been attached to the driving wheel with a belt. The machine only produces a straight line of stitching. The oscillating case around the drop-in bobbin produces a sturdy lock stitch. Found inside the stand's drawers are several attachments, most notably a set of feet designed for specialized tasks. These accessories aid the sewists in making decorative ruffles, turning even hems, making tucks, and attaching braid or binding. This machine was most likely used by Alice Longfellow's longtime housekeeper, Annie Sullivan. It is difficult to say what clothing or textiles were produced or altered in the house. By 1954, the old Singer sewing machine was stored on the third floor in the old servants' quarters.